Hi guys, do you have need in acrylic nail sign, which are our most popular products now? Today we would like to show you how we engrave the acrylic. There are 5 machines in our factory. The biggest one is special for engraving 3D effect products, and these 3 machines are multi-cam. It can engrave acrylic and metal like aluminum and brass. 30mm thick solid acrylic is our common material to engrave. And this machine is to cut package material. This area is for our QC checking. After we finish the product, QC will check the size and quality, and then send to next step.